welcome back. So today's, oh my god, my cat. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. I want to paint a Bob Ross painting, and I didn't really have the paint. Well, I have some. No, I don't have any. All my paint's right here. But I don't really want to go to the store right now. And I thought I've been using Procreate more, so I thought that maybe I could do it on Procreate. I don't know if this is a thing. I am not the best at Procreate, so this could go terribly wrong. I really want to give it a try. So I'm gonna screen record my iPad, and I have the video set up on my phone. Hopefully my battery doesn't die. Got my coffee. And without further ado, let's begin. So, let me set up my screen recording. I love Bob Ross. Okay. I need a black canvas. Hold on, Bob. Well, I don't got a paper towel, so he wants me to use a paper towel. Oh, this is gonna be hard. He always makes it look so easy. He's a master. Does anyone watch like Netflix tutorials? I don't have that, so I'm gonna have to recreate this texture. Okay, Bob, hold on. I mean, maybe this will work. I don't know. I need a different brush. Hold on. Oh, maybe this will work. Oh yeah. Okay. Let me catch up. He's going too fast. Or am I going too slow? Oh shoot. I love him. You know what? This doesn't look half bad, folks. Hold on, Bob. Hold on. I gotta find the right brush. I will do like a wet acrylic. That might work. Found the pen. Okay, proceed. Wait, hold on, he's going too fast. Ugh. I need it to be a little darker. next. Whoa, I need another brush. Hold on. What was I using before? This maybe? Oh, I gotta make a path. Ooh. Not bad, not bad. Blue. That's probably should have done this a different way, but too late. Okay, I finished. I didn't really do the whole color thing because what I should have done is I should have made a separate layer for the background so I could add the color to the background, because I just did it all in one layer, and then when I was trying to add the color, it was just making the black blue. It doesn't look right. So I added some. So this, look, I mean, not bad from far away. Proud of myself. But as you can see, like the color is just kind of like weird. How to make a thumbnail. But it looks good. Oh my god. The garbage man is here. Can you hear that? So loud. But I really enjoy. Hold please. Let me close my window. Much better. What was I saying? Oh yeah, so I really enjoyed this, and I think I want to do another one. It'd be fun to use like actual paint, but I really like using Procreate and just kind of playing around with it and seeing what brush does what. So love that. Let me know if you guys want me to do another one, and if so, which one, because I want to do another one. But thank you for watching, and I will see you next week.